Infraworks has introduced country kits for France, Germany, Austria, Norway, Sweden, and the UK. The user has the option to load individual or multiple country kits as needed. Once the kits are installed, the user can create customized roads modeled after the specified local design standards. These roads can be easily exchanged by simply dragging and dropping the desired roadway assembly onto the model. The user can add to these libraries as needed. These country kits also include a collection of local signs and city features. These items are searchable by code or description and can easily be exchanged or revised as needed. These items help to enhance the overall look and feel of the design model.